Well, hello. This is my second go at trying to go out and see if I can find some Brumbies to photograph. I'm heading up over here, up this track, or up this sort of bit of a road. I think I'm going to go across the top of that ridge there. And I'm hoping, I mean, look, they're fairly elusive, and hopefully we can see some. If not, I'm hoping that I'll be able to get a look back at Mount Feathertop from up there as well. So if no Brumbies, at least we can get some nice photos of mountains and things like that. But we'll see how we go. If nothing else, it'll be a nice walk. Anyway, as always, we'll see how we go. Nothing's certain, but we'll see what happens. But it's a beautiful day, and it is always just beautiful out here. Warmer than I thought it was. It was quite cool down on the water there. Now it's warming up. I should have worn my other shirt. I haven't even seen a sign of any Brumbies yet. There's some hoof print marks on the track here, but judging by the indentations, I'd say they're domestic horses that are being ridden with horseshoes on. Not that I'm any great tracker, don't get me wrong. I just, yeah, you can see the horseshoe indentations there, so that's not them. But we'll keep going. I reckon we'll walk for another hour. I'll go for another hour up here, see how I go, and up onto that ridge, and then we'll head back. And yeah, but it's beautiful. I have gone off the track here a bit. So I'm hoping to go up to that ridge there and see what's on the other side, but maybe I've turned off too soon. I don't know. I'll go and have a look, but anyway, it's worth a walk. I think I've turned off a little bit too early because I thought we'd see Feathertop from here, but no. Got to go. I'll go up to the next ridge and see how we go. My biggest worry here is not startling any snakes and getting a little nip on the leg, because being out here on my own, I know it's hard to believe. I know you think there's a film crew out here with a stylist, you know, boom operator, cameraman, sound technicians, but nope. It's just me and no Brumbies. Anyway, no Feathertop here. I'm going to have to keep walking. I'm running out of time. I think that's Mount Jim over there, which is where the Brumbies have been hanging out, and I'm sure that Rudy will correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm not walking over there. Not across here. This is really rocky. It's pretty hard to walk in. It's quite, you know, tufty and all that sort of stuff. We'll go to this next line here, and then that's it. I'm out of here. I'll have to go home then. Yes, we've found some Brumbies. We can just see one over there, but there is 3 or 4 there. So we'll head across this way. I'm pretty stoked about this. I'm probably not being as excited as I should be. As in, I'm not sounding it, but I'm excited. We'll head over that way, see if we can get across there and just sneak up on them and get some photos. That's why we're here, I guess. Look at that. This is stallion up ahead. Oh, they're coming over to me. Yes. Look at that, they're just standing there waiting for me. Hello. They're just turning it on. Look at that, they're so curious. Oh, this is so cool. I didn't think we'd get this close. I honestly didn't think we'd be seeing them like this. So, it was the right decision, cutting across here. We didn't see Feathertop, but we're seeing the Brumbies. There's a young one. There's two young ones. Let's see if I can get closer. Oh, this is exciting. This is good. That's what we came out here for. You can see there, it's beautiful. It's just, there's mountains in the background. Layers of mountains. Horses in the foreground. I mean, what more could we ask for? It's exactly what we came for. They're quite inquisitive, aren't you? What are you doing? What are you doing? Hey? It finally paid off, second go. Coming up to the top here. I mean, this is beautiful. It really is. I'm so glad we found them. But thanks for tuning in. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and better even still, subscribe. And thanks Heath for tuning in. We'll see what we've got. I'm going to hang out with these guys for a bit longer. Then I'm going to head back and head back down to Mount Beauty. But this was very eventful.